brushing your teeth is important. But what if I told you it's not enough? Ever wonder why, even after brushing twice a day, your mouth still doesn't feel quite clean? Here's the thing. Brushing only reaches the surface of your teeth. But the real trouble lies deeper inside, the bacteria hiding in places your toothbrush can't reach. You may not see them, but your mouth is home to billions of bacteria, both good and bad. And when the bad bacteria take over, you can end up with issues like bad breath, gum disease, and even cavities. Did you know that the balance between good and bad bacteria in your mouth is key to oral health? And it's not something that brushing alone can fix. Most of us focus on removing plaque and whitening teeth, but oral health goes much deeper than that. So, what if there was a way to naturally balance the bacteria in your mouth without brushing more, using harsh chemicals, or spending hours on dental care? A way that works alongside your regular routine, promoting a healthier mouth from the inside out. That's where probiotics come in. Probiotics are good bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your mouth's microbiome, the tiny ecosystem of bacteria living in your mouth. By boosting the good bacteria, probiotics naturally fight off the harmful ones, supporting fresher breath, healthier gums, and overall better oral health. Probiotics can reach areas that brushing can't. They work by neutralizing the bad bacteria and encouraging the growth of the good bacteria that keep your mouth healthy. And no, chewing gum or using mouthwash won't fix the problem long term. In fact, some of these solutions can make the imbalance even worse by wiping out all bacteria, good and bad. So how can you introduce more good bacteria into your daily routine? Is there a way to do this easily without changing everything about your oral care habits? Meet ProDentim, an innovative solution designed specifically to support oral health through the power of probiotics. It's a simple, chewable tablet that contains a unique blend of probiotics proven to promote a healthy balance of bacteria in your mouth. By taking ProDentim daily, you can naturally introduce good bacteria to your mouth, supporting fresh breath, healthier gums, and stronger teeth, without the need for extra brushing or harsh chemicals. Stop worrying about whether brushing alone is enough. Take control of your oral health from within with ProDentim and let the probiotics do the work for you. Click the link below to learn more and start your journey towards a healthier, fresher mouth today.